The American muscle car that is still being hunted by collectors is the Ford Mustang 289. This is because this car has a distinctive design and great power. The Ford Mustang has an almost magical aura, offering a driving experience like no other. Driving this Mustang is also fun. Both the brakes and suspension were up to the task and were replaced as part of the restoration. This generation Mustang comes with 3 engine variants, namely a 4-barrel V8 engine with a maximum power that can reach 225 HP and a maximum torque of 414 Nm, and a 4,700cc carburetor Windsor 2-barrel V8 engine with a maximum power of 200 HP and a torque of 382 Nm. Lastly, it uses a 4-barrel V8 engine with a 4,700cc ship-hour engine capacity, which produces 271 HP of power with a torque of 423 Nm. This was Ford's 90-degree V8 overhead valve engine that everyone wanted in the first few years of the Mustang. V8 overhead valve engine that everyone wanted in the first few years of the Mustang. Reliable, economical to maintain, has adequate power, and is easy to modify. In 1965 and 1966, you could get the 289 in 2-barrel or 4-barrel versions. If you want a 2-barrel setup, you receive the Autolite 2100 equipped with an automatic choke. If you wanted a decoded car in 1964 and 1965, you got the Autolite 4104 VV, equipped with an automatic choke. If your car is Code A, then in 1965-1967, the engine was fitted with the Autolite 4104 VV base, and in 1967, it got the square-bore Autolite 4302 4V base with automatic choke. For power-hungry individuals ordering EK cars, an Autolite 4100 4V with automatic choke was installed. In 1965 and 1966, they used a manual choke. The Shelby GT350 is blessed or cursed. Opinions waver with a Holly 4160 C4 and a manual choke.